Oh no, this is on fire! Boom!
Oh, the bad guy's getting away.
Oh no, dynamite exploded. There's all fires on this sea. Welcome to JackJackPlays. We got a fire emergency. What's up with this Lego City fire truck set?
All right, what are you gonna do with that axe? He's gonna smash it. Oh, he's cutting it. He's cutting it. Rip into it, Jack. Let the kids see what you're doing. Rip into the side. Whoa, is this a suitcase? Whoa, look what's inside.
Let's do a time-lapse video. We're almost done. We're done. There they are.
Oh my goodness, what are we gonna do now?
Here comes the Jack special. Old-time fire truck.
That's an old-time fire truck, Jack?
Yeah.
All right, put out the fire, guys. Put out the fire.
This guy has to put out this fire.
Okay.
Nina, Nina, Nina.
Whoa, here he goes. I see the hose. It's squirting. Squirt that water on the fire.
The fire is being put out. Oh no, dynamite exploded. The fire truck's on fire.
Oh no, the fire truck's on fire. Let's take a look. Holy smokes. What's inside of there, Jack? Can the kids see? Open that. Oh, there's fire.
Spray the fire that's down.
Spray it, squirt it. Whoosh, whoosh.
All the water has ran out of this truck.
Oh no, you're all out of water. You better plug into a fire hydrant. Is this a pretty neat set, Jack?
Yeah.
It sure is.
Oh no, this is on fire.
Oh my goodness.
This is out of water and this is still, and then it had water again.
Well, what are you gonna do about it?
How are we gonna get this fire out?
Well, maybe try the foam.
There's all fires on this sea.
Oh my goodness, look at that fire. What are we gonna do about it? Look at all that fire, kids. What's that green thing, Jack? Is it green fire?
Yeah, it's a green fire. This fire is still.
It's still what? It's still there? What are you gonna put it out with?
Well, we're gonna put it out with this, and it's gonna put out this fire.
Cool.
And this is gonna rescue people.
All right, the Jack special is gonna rescue people.
The robber has dynamite, and he's gonna explode everything.
Oh my goodness.
And it's gonna make more fire. Boom!
Oh, the bad guy's getting away. Wow. Whoa, kids, you see the computer inside and also the tools in the other chamber. Look at that.
Welcome to JackJackPlays. Do you want to build a Lego truck with me?
What do you got today, Jack?
I got a Lego truck.
Oh, this is the Lego City Mobile Command Center. That means it's a big police truck. All right, let's get this thing open. Here comes the scissors. Oh, can Daddy get into here? Yeah, I got it. Open it up and dump it out. What's in there? Is it stuck? Okay, kids, here's all the stuff. There's actually four bags, 3 sets of instructions, and stickers. And Jack, what are you holding? A white base plate.
Let's do a time lapse.
Let's do it. What are those?
A police vehicle and a bad guy vehicle.
Oh, I see. A police motorcycle, a bad guy vehicle. Do you see how that bad guy has money that he stole that's in his backpack?
Why did he steal that?
Because he's a bad guy.
Ah, that's not my truck.
take a look. Cool. What should we do next, Jack?
We have to do cab.
No, we have to do the trailer. Hey, can anyone hear Molly drinking in the background? Molly May.
Together.
All right, show the kids, Jack. Look, it's going to hook onto there. Be a little bit careful. Is it on there? Yeah, look at that. It's attached.
There's a robber that's trying to he's in jail.
Oh, you're going to put him in?
He's in jail and he's trying to get out.
Oh, my.
But he can't. It's too hard.
Wow, look at that. The chain is attached to the hook. Hey, they pull. Whoa, that pulls right off. I kind of wondered why there was the smooth part. Is the bad guy gonna jump out of there? Or what, Jack?
He's gonna walk out of here.
Oh, because nobody noticed?
Yeah.
Whoa, did you open up the command center?
Yeah.
Show us what we can do here, Jack.
These guys are trying to do some stuff in here.
The policemen are trying to do stuff?
And
all right, put him in there. He's the driver.
And I'll put the cab back on. Oh, he's putting off. He's flying out because he didn't wear. This guy is going in here.
Oh, that girl is going in there. Oh, what? She's upside down in the jail?
Yeah.
That's kind of crazy. What's happening now, Jack?
He's going in here.
What's in there?
A computer.
Oh, hey, let's show the kids the computer. Can you drive that around so that they can see? Oh, no, you're closing up.
It's closing up.
All right, you're going to drive it and then show them when it opens up again. Driving past. Whoa, kids, you see the computer inside and also the tools in the other chamber. Look at that.
The cones are blocking the traffic. They're blocking traffic.
Oh, did you run into the ATV?
You know what this is?
What?
This is a motorcycle.
Wow, what does the motorcycle do?
It goes inside here. And there's little wrenches on here. And then it goes. Really, they're on the freeway. And someone stole some stuff on the freeway.
Hey, is that a dog over there?
Yeah.
What's the dog doing?
It's the police dog.
It's the police dog. Where does it go?
He goes inside of here.
All right, put him in. Woof, woof, woof. Woof. Is that Molly, the police dog?
Yeah, Molly.
Molly, are you a police dog?
Police truck coming through.
Look.
There's police truck codes.
Oh.
That's where it needs to park.
Oh.
And then this exploded itself to work.
Oh no, what's gonna explode? Uh-oh, well, there's no one driving that thing. Are all the bad guys gone? It's remote control?
Yeah, it's control, and he's using my...
Oh, they crashed it open again. 1, 2, 3.
Boom!
Oh, the bad guy's getting away. Hey, what's the policeman inside doing? Does he even notice?
No.
Oh, wow, must not have been all that loud of an explosion. Or he's got earplugs in.
We are gonna open it and steal the motorcycle.
You're gonna steal the motorcycle? Oh no, the dog's gonna stop you, isn't he? Oh, wow, that's a little bit violent.
And the dog's gonna drive the motorcycle.
The dog's gonna drive the motorcycle?
Yeah.
That's pretty silly. Bring it out. Rum, 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 rum. Rum, rum, go, Molly, go.
Oh no, the bad guy's saying no. Oh no.
They just like to say, oh no. Are you gonna put them inside of the jail? You're gonna have to open up the door.
I'll open it both.
Yeah, make sure you open it the right way.
That's cool.
All right, put them in.
You're coming in now.
Oh, can you see that, kids? They're coming in. Now close up that door.
No, they can never get out.
Wow, well, unless they get broken out of jail again.
You know why? The police truck was there.
Why?
The bad guys parked on the freeway.
Oh, no.
they weren't supposed to, so they body and they just...
Oh, he fell off. Wow.
They didn't come out and then pull the other door again. The police are so mad now.
They're so mad.
It's me, Ruthie. Welcome to JackJackPlays.
What are you doing here, Ruthie?
I'm building a Lego set.
Oh, that's right. Ruthie is gonna build this Lego set because Jack Jack said that he refused. Do you think we need scissors?
Yeah.
Whoa! You had them at the ready. I hope you don't slice your fingers off. What's all in there?
Let's do a time lapse.
That's where Lex Luthor goes. He's the bad guy. Whoa! Where'd that dangly balloon come from? Who's that?
Jack! Jack!
Are you here to help?
Yeah!
What a great surprise!
Now where am I gonna sit?
Alright, let's get back to construction.
I'm falling out of my thing.
Let's have a close-up view. Ruth, can you tell us what each thing is?
This is what Superman jumps off of.
Okay.
And this is Batman's headquarters.
Okay, and then what does Jack have?
He has the Batmobile.
And what's that? And who's that? Lex Luthor, the bad guy.
Yeah, look at this claw. Superman's gonna jump.
Whoa.
Batman, ready to rescue? The Bat car's coming.
Whoa, there it is.
There's a Batman shooter.
Whoa.
Miss May.
Here comes another one.
The secret weapon is coming.
Boom.
He's breaking his things. Superman's gonna jump.
Again? Oh, there he goes.
Ah,
Are you Lex Luthor now? And Superman's just flying around.
kryptonite. Ah.
It makes him very weak.
Look, Superman has a double head.
You just turned his hair around. Oh, and such nice, luxurious hair. Oh. Well, what do you think of this set, Ruth?
I think it's pretty cool how Superman gets to jump.
Yeah, we didn't even know there were sort of things that shoot and jump on this. That's pretty cool.
I think that this set was pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Yeah, it's a smaller set, and this is one of the Lego Junior sets for smaller kids.
Batman! He got grabbed. It's time to go. Bye, kids. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.